Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel Queen Market Hub Defense. As you know, I have already discussed about a hidden gem 3 weeks ago, Happy Blonde Dodge. Once again, today I have another amazing news about this project that is already listed on the Maxi Global Exchange, and here you can also trade with USDT pair, and you can also check out its price chart. Its price is going up and up, and defense, this is the best crypto exchange in top 10 exchanges. So if you come on the Queen Market Cap, here you can also check out the top cryptocurrency spot exchange where you can also trade, buy, sell, and here you also check out and find the Maxi Global Exchange with a huge trading volume and a lot of weekly visitor here as well. So this is the best crypto exchange where you can also trade best project HBD, and defense, you can find out all official links in my video description. And if you are new on my YouTube channel Queen Market Hub, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So defense, this project is already making a very huge potential here, and you can also check more than 87,000% already grow in just a month. Here you also check out its current price and 24-hour high and low volume, and you can also participate on the Maxi Global Exchange, and you can buy, sell, and trade right here on as well. You can also find out the official links in my video description. And welcome to the Happy Balloon Dodge. So get richer with Happy Balloon Dodge and click develop, invite your friend, and earn Happy Balloon Dodge coins. Defense, here you can also check out the project progress, and you can also check that it is developing about then TG and airdrop distributions will be soon, and you can also read out its white paper one. It's coming soon, and you will learn more detail. Here we can also check out an unique referral program here, and you can also get 5x more for premium referral. You need to invite your friend, family, or relative with premium referrals and get 5x more reward for each one, as well as the referrals will also receive reward. The referrals will also be rewarded for their participation in this project as well. Level 1 is unlocked at the start. The first level of the referral system will be available, and 5 level of the referral program, and you can also enjoy the benefit of their referral system, which include 5 level as well. There is a very low fees and security and control their money, and high transactions speed is here. So Happy Balloon Dodge is a crypto game that will distribute a significant portions of the token to the community when listed, which emphasize that they value you and your time as well. Here you can also check out the distribution. So 80% is for token capitalizations, and defense 5% for funding allocations, and 10% for development, and 5% for promotions as well. Happy Balloon Dodge HBD is ticker is a token that can be obtained in their game, and the symbol is HBD. And here you can also check initial value is 1 HBD. Price you can also find out around 35 USDT. Here you can also check out, as well as defense, you can also check out it is top of tone, and on the blockchains you can also check out the funding allocations and token distributions detail. You can also check out the roadmap, that how the things are going, listing start of the projects, game update, and they will be preparing a listing on chain interface development, wallet in game, and web3 pre-listing quest, and many more airdrops, and it will be listed on other exchanges and the wallet as well. Here is a frequently asked question where you can also get answered. If you have any other question, you can make comments and I will reply to all of you. And you can also join and get in touch. You must be enter your user, your name, your email, type your message and send message, then you will be updated every detail here, and you can also subscribe their newsletter right here. So this is the best opportunity where you can also participate and grab this opportunity, and you can also trade this best crypto project on the top exchange, Maxi Global Exchange, and you can easily buy, sell, and trade. You can also analyze this price chart, so it have a massive potential inside, and it's a potential showing that it is making a new height here, and you must be grab this opportunity right now and buy it right now. I also recommend to all of you must be follow them on their X account to get latest news and updates and check out their previous tweets, as well as I also recommended to all of you must be join its Telegram community to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project, and grab this opportunity right now and buy HBD right now and hold it, and later because it will make a lot of passive income. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.